Why can't I move the app or remove the app from the home screen of Android device? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you have to do is you can just look at this view over here at the home screen. As you tap on the app, you'll not be able to drag it or place it anywhere you want. It's locked, right? So all you have to do is go to the settings of your device, and as you go to the settings, scroll down and then tap on home screen. Now as you go to the home screen, scroll down again, and here you can see the option of lock home screen layout. Right now it's toggled on, which has led the apps on the home screen to not move or just be stagnant. Now all you have to do is toggle this off and go back to the home screen and then click on the icons and the apps, and here you can see it's moving and it's not locked anymore. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.